Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with an Easter project. If you've been with me before, you may have made these stuffed bunnies with me. It's always one of my best-selling Easter patterns. Well, today I'm back with a different bunny style to perk up your Easter decor. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com, where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project, with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable bunny template. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed bunnies today. I've added a link in the description below the video to where you can find it. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, and the printable template. First, cut out the bunny template. Place a piece of bunny fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of bunny fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the stack and pin it in place. Stitch the bunny together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the bottom open. Then remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the bottom opening to stuff the bunny with your fiberfill. I like to start with a small amount of filling and place it in the bunny's ears first, and then the face, and then work on down. Continue stuffing the rabbit, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the bottom closed, and then readjust the stuffing. For a neater look, retrim the edge of the fabric at the opening. And just like that, just that fast, you'll be able to whip up a whole fluffle of bunnies in no time at all. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. See you next time with another project.